Okay, so it's the latest build. You see I've recessed the nut inside there. I think the prop width, and this is a 6.5, I think it's a 6.5. I think this is the right size for this motor, and with a spacer in the core it sets away from the back so the air comes in. See, a lot of props actually have holes, and the reason they have holes, or the spinners should I say, have holes in here, look, is to let air through into the motor. And so I think part of the problem with our motor and getting overheating is they have this hole in the top here that goes obviously through, and then it lets air flood into the motor. So I think this prop will work because the motor's outside and it's not in a cowling, but that's one of the tricks. Yeah, so this one's all ready to go, and I've spent a lot of time getting the print quality right, so I think this one should better chance of flying with the lightweight PLA wing. Alright.